Hey guys, good afternoon. I feel like falling. You guys, we hardly sleep at night these days. The last time I spoke to you guys was last night when I was washing the deep freezer. So Obi already carried the deep freezer and some other things and took to the house before he went to work this morning. My plan was to go there later today and do some cleanup and start arranging things small so that we are not packing everything in one place and later it will be extremely difficult. But you guys, I'm so tired to drive, so I cannot even drive for 1 hour. So I am tired. We barely have normal rest, especially this period we are packing. You see why I say I don't like to pack? Give me other things to do. You see, packing counts me out. It's difficult to pack and arrange. So we don't really have food in this house because we are packing, we are moving. So today I decided to make meat pie when Obi was packing. So I was making meat pie. Let me show you guys the one I made. So this is the meat pie I made this morning. I think this is about 20 or 22 pieces. Some of them does not have meat pie filling because of Jasmine. Jasmine doesn't really like those meat pie fillings. She always removes them while eating meat pie, so I just made some without it. You can see I arranged all of them here because I did like batch 1, batch 2 because I have just one pan. So it was only this pan I used. So after the first batch was ready, I made a second one. I've been saying I want to buy pan. I never bought. So now we are moving out. So it's fine. This period, I don't know what to cook. So this meat pie is what we'll manage this period as snacks. Then I'll try and cook some few meals to be like eaten. Obi can also take this meat pie to work with minerals or what's not. This period to cook it now is a problem as we are packing. I don't know. It's stressful. It's very, very stressful. We've been through a lot of stress this past few months of trying to arrange the house and getting the house ready and now packing. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
All these memories make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find a home in all these things you said. When I hold you.
You guys, I came to clean the new house today, although the workers cleaned it, but I still have to clean it properly. So I've cleaned some of the windows and doors, but it's already time for lunch, so I want to feed Diana. Obi also came, but he has left. He's going to work before time for Jasmine's closing. So Jasmine went to school today. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, their school was locked. But today she went to school. So I'm going to feed Diana noodles before I continue my cleaning. Diana, don't touch it. I want to remove my microphone. Eat your food. Leave my microphone alone. If I don't hear my microphone, no, they can't hear me. I did not bring anything for myself for lunch. And I am already hungry. So, I will eat biscuits. Maybe there is biscuits in the bag. Shh, take. While I was coming to this place, I had to put the Google map. Because, you guys, this area is full of camera, like speed limit camera. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Hey, I had to put Google map, even if I know the road, just to be safe, so I don't overspeed where I'm supposed to, like, reduce speed, because sometimes they exaggerate the numbers. They will put 30, whereby you are supposed to even drive 50. So, because I don't want to know fine, because they will bring fine, I had to put Google map. Anyway, God help me in this community. Driving here will be a bit crazy. Diana, leave this microphone alone so they can hear me. Did I? Hobby is calling me. Hello? Hey guys, so just like I said earlier, I said I was going to do a little unboxing for you guys. Then I keep quiet. So we got a lot of things. I want to show you guys in case when we start fixing things and I don't get a chance to show you guys what we bought. These ones are the cotton. Diana, keep quiet. I got different kinds of cotton. See them. This one, I'm going to use this one for maybe Jasmine's room. I don't know yet. And I will also mix them with either white. This one. I think these ones are for the room, except this one. I'm thinking of using this one in the living room area, but let's see. This video will be long, oh. You guys said I should be doing unboxing, so I will do unboxing. Everything will just be in one video, just like you guys requested. So this one is plaid. I don't know if I'm going to use this for the room or for the couch, but whichever way, this is the plaid I got. I got this color because of kids. You know how they can be. So this cotton, I thought of putting this in the room, this color, and I'm going to mix. Then you will fall down. I'm going to mix it with this. Can you see this? So this one may be in the room. I'm just saying maybe because we haven't started fixing. Can you see the color? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of gray, not dark gray. So we got a lot of things online. This one is rug. This rug I have, is it adhesive? What's the name of that thing? That's peel off. You can just peel off and stick on the floor. I got about, is it 5? Let me see. Yeah. I got 5 of this. Hopefully, it will cover this living area. What I want to do, I want to cover the living room, then the walkway area. While for the room, I don't think I'm going to cover the floor in the room. I like the color of the tiles in the room, so maybe I'll just put small rug by the side. But for the living room, I really don't like the color of the tiles, so that is why I got these ones to cover the floor. Hopefully this is not difficult to like clean, because I don't want anything that will be very difficult to like clean with the vacuum. Then we got this wallpaper. This wallpaper is for this part where the TV is going to be and where the bed is going to be in the room. We are going to miss it. So I got about 2 of this one. I know you guys know this design. Is literally trending now. So I'm going to put some here and some there. Then the other one I showed you guys before will be at the middle. So this one I got about 2 of it, but I don't know what happened. They only delivered 1. The other one was in transit for like a month or so. They refused to come. Then I had to request for a refund. So they refunded me the money. So I don't know if this will be enough. But guys, I really, really love this wallpaper. Shh. This one is for the kitchen. Maybe I'll put a picture here. It's for the kitchen to hold fruits. You guys know I'm a fruit girl. I'm a fruit girl. So every Wednesday in my former house, we normally buy like fruits from the open market to put in the kitchen. So I decided to get something cute for fruits. These flowers are cute, but the problem is they are very, very small. See what these people brought for me. I can't even remember which website I bought this on. See what they brought for me. It's very small. See. And I got about 6. So I don't know where to use it yet. Because of how small it's looking, I'll figure that out. This cutter is to cut the carpet, and it has different sharp objects. Before they allow me to buy this, they asked me for my document. Was it Temu? I think it's Temu I got this one from. It's very good. It comes in handy when you want to be cutting things like that. I don't even know what is here. Okay, this is for the mirrors. You guys cannot even see it. If I even show you, you cannot see because I need to open it. So this right here is for the bathroom. I don't want to open it yet because I've not started arranging that. This one for bathroom, that's non-slip, so you can't fall down or you won't fall down. So when you are taking your shower, that's mat that you put inside the, is it jacuzzi they call it, the bath, whatnot. So that's what this is for. This one, you guys know this cute decoration book. I got 3. One is New York, Paris. I can't remember. I think the last one is Rome. So that's what is there. This is bedding set. Another bedding set. No, this is for that. Easy. This is for the bathroom. You guys will see it when I fix them. These ones are flowers I got. I got different sizes of flowers. Yeah, I got 3 different sizes of flower. Big, medium, and small. Sorry. This one is for the bathroom. So when you come to my house, don't ask me, where is your bathroom? You will see this at the front of the door. Don't ask me, where is my bathroom? So you're going to see this at the door. So in front of the door, literally. So that's why I got this. This is pillow cover. You guys will see them much better when I start arranging. This is mat, foot mat for the bathroom. I think this is my best buy so far. I love it. For the bathroom, I really love it. It's so cute. It matches the, what's it called? The curtain. The curtain for, is it shower curtain? Yeah, shower curtain. It matches it as well for the bathroom. This one is beddings for Jasmine. Oh, you guys see I'm struggling. Diana is not letting me do this thing well. I got this for dining table. You guys will see it later. You'll see it much better later. Trying to hurry up. I got some stone. Let me see if I can open it. For my flower vase. Wait, where is my flower vase? Doesn't mean that we haven't brought it. You see this girl want to fall down. See the stone they brought for me. I really do not like this stone. It's too small. Like, it's not big like I saw in the picture. But whichever way, I'm going to manage it. You guys, I'm struggling. Diana, no great. This thing I got for edges. Let me open it. But this isn't what I wanted. I bought the wrong one. So that's why I did not even return it, because it's my fault. For edges. So I'm just going to keep it. I got this one for my flower vase. But It's not what I saw. This is what I ordered versus what I got. I don't really like it. It's not what I saw. And it's not even enough. Look, it's not even enough. But I will see how I can manage it. What else? What else? I think that is all for now. I don't know if we haven't brought the rest here. Some are still in the other house. So I will be showing you guys while we are doing the decoration and arrangement. Today is only cleaning I came for, and Diana did not let me. My sister is calling me. I'll see you guys later.
Make me lose my head. I never thought I'd find a home in all these things you said. When I hold you, I lose myself instead. The kind of thing that makes me wanna be with you forever. Thank you for watching.